You know who it is. It's your boy Shooter the Investor. I'm checking in for the gang. And hey, gang, let's talk about the portfolio today. It's been a lot. I got to sit up for this one, man, because there's some projects out there that's been on burners this week, or I would even say since last week. But most importantly, and the most important one of all is XRP. XRP's been hot and it's continued to blaze it. And we're going to look at the chart. We're going to break it down. And honestly, I don't know why it's hot now. There's been a lot of rumors out there that the case is about to come to an end. And it seems like every other week we hear that, right? And we know, being smart investors, that, you buy the rumor and sell the news, right? But in this particular situation, I'm kind of more leery about buying the rumor. Now, I do buy XRP pretty much every other day or when there is a significant pullback, but it hasn't been one. And this thing has been hot. So I want to kind of break down the chart. We'll take a quick look at my portfolio as well too. And I just want to tap in with y'all. So let me go ahead and set this up. Hopefully y'all guys been having a good trading week. I hope that everything is well in the hood, you dig? Go ahead and let me go ahead and turn this on. Excuse that. We be making content, y'all. And we just gonna come over here and slide to the XRP chart. Now, I also want to look at my portfolio and bring that up. Now, if you can see here from the technicals, and if you look back in my previous videos, we set some rabbit traps, right? For 37 cent, 35 cent, 33 cent, and worst case scenario, 29 cent. Well, as you can see, it's pretty much used my rabbit traps as a support here. And we've been on a rocket, right? Ripping through. And this is the weekly chart. Look at this buying volume. Holy smokes. This is a week's worth of buying volume. Look at this week. This is only Wednesday, y'all. Look how much buying is going on. RSI is peaked. It's sitting around 67. It hasn't even reached 70 or in the 80s yet. Oh my goodness. Oh, like my daughter would say, oh my goodness. So rip through this supply area. It's 45 to 50 cent supply, currently trading roughly about 54 cent. Long wick right now. We're above the 50 SMA and we are above the 200 SMA. Now, during this whole pullback, and I'll even say, we can even say since June of last year, it's been doing a lot of sideways trading, which is perfectly fine, right? We know why. XRP is going through this whole case with SEC. A lot of people are reluctant. If you're in the United States, there's only two places where you can buy it. That's 𝐾𝐿coin and Uphold. But as you can see, people are still buying it. People believe in it. The XRP army is real. New investors are jumping in because the price is very cheap. And as you can see, the all-time high back in, the all-time high was back in 2018, $3.25. So people looking at this is like, this has some potential, right? And it really does. It really has some potential. Now, I do want to put out there with some news about Swift. Now, Swift and XRP has been linked in regards to using their blockchain. Now, Swift did use a blockchain in the beta, but it wasn't directly tied to XRP. Now, this particular blockchain, and I cannot pronounce the name, I will drop it here. You can figure it out yourself. But the thing about this blockchain is that they use XRP Ledger for their technology. So indirectly, but directly, XRP is involved in this beta test with Swift. But also XRP is part of ISO 20022 in the sense that they already are compliant. So XRP is playing the front and they play in the back. So with all this, central banking, digital currencies, Swift, ISO 222, the rumor mill is picking up. So I'm assuming a lot of people are catching these rumors, this news. They're like, you know what, this is the time. We about to beat the case, or we're going to lose the case, whatever the case may be. I don't know what's going to happen. In my personal opinion, I think XRP will end up beating the SEC, but they're going to pay a healthy fine. But that's my opinion. Please do not go out and run up to these exchanges and buy XRP because I'm not telling you to do that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my personal opinion on what could happen, what could potentially happen. I have no insight on the case or anything like that. All right. So don't if the shit goes the other way, don't come back here talking about I didn't tell you nothing. All right, point blank here, I ain't tell you nothing. So keep your feelings to yourself. My personal opinion, I think they're going to beat that case, and I think we could see a lot of buying pressure. Now, a lot of people on YouTube are saying, "Oh, it's going to $100 when it beats the SEC." Now, I don't see that. Could it do it? It could possibly do it. Do I see it? I nothing on this chart's telling me that it's going to reach $200. Now, if I was to draw out what that looks like, let's say we take the top of this, right, and draw out 200, 100, what is that? What I say, $100 XRP. That is a 16,951% gain. So roughly 170x on your money. Man, that's a lot, man. That's a lot. I don't know if I don't think I can believe that one, man. I think if I was to play the where could it go, I'm looking at it from a technical standpoint. I have this humongous supply area right here. This next one that's in line, right? And y'all know I love looking at supply and demand. Those supply and demand zones are very important. As you can see, we already ripped through one. I would say anywhere between 75 to 90 cent off the immediate news if they win. And then you have these all-time highs up here previously about $2. And then you have the $3, right? Like I wouldn't jump out the window and just be like $100. Now, if it does, I'm here for it because I hold a nice size bag of XRP. And if that thing rips to 100, well, doggone it, I'm happy. But I just don't see that. It's just so many variables in far as technical that it has to go through, and it can rip through. As you can see, we ripped through this particular 40 to 50 cent supply area. We've ripped through that. What I want to see is us to pull back, right, retest, and then continue. That's what I want to see moving forward, right? If I switch to the daily, look at that. Look at that demand zone that was created right here. Look at it, long wick. That's a good sign in my sense. If you see these long wicks, usually this price action will fill those wicks. So tomorrow I want to see a nice pullback. So for me, if I wanted to buy in, maybe I set an alarm, a nice little trap here at 51 cent, right? 51 cent. Maybe I'll go in there and buy some more. We get a nice pullback and hold and then fill this wick. This wick is about a 59 cent, almost 60 cent wick. I'm cool with that. Even if we come back into this previous supply zone, right, and find a nice support level, I want to say about right here at 47 cent, I'm cool with that buying as well too. Do we return back down here? It's a possibility. A lot of people could be taking their profits. And remember, a lot of people hold XRP in big bags of it too. So I wouldn't be surprised if you see a lot of selling off. But we want to see healthy price corrections, meaning we'll start seeing some sell off here and some hold. So that's what I'm looking for XRP. I'm holding. This thing's going to have to make an all new high for me to really start taking some real profits. I'm patient enough. I can wait until the actual bull market of 2025. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I'm more so concerned about when are the buying opportunities. I want to see this thing turn red. And so I know that I can go in there and buy. Right now, I don't care. I know how much money I have in it. I know how much money is made right now. I'm not really taking any profits. I'm keeping my XRP until we start breaking into that dollar. Well, let me say, I'm not going to be thinking about profits until we break into that $1, $10, maybe $20 range. For me, I think it could really do it. Again, there's the market supply, the market cap, current market cap value right now is pretty high with the circulating supply is pretty high too. So we definitely need to see a burn. We need to see a lot more buying, but it's happening. Look at this buying pressure on the daily. It's ridiculous. Like look at this move right here back on the 21st to put us up into the supply. I mean, if I was to go back here and just watch the beginning of this move, we are up over 56%, whatever you want to call it, right? So that's just the technicals on it. Little fundamentals on behind XRP and what's going on. Let's look at my portfolio. As you can see, XRP is out here in the front at 29% on the week. On the day is up about 6%. On the month is over 46%. And let's talk about the mass network banging out here at 38%. And on the month up 82%. And I have not taken no profits on those as well. So on the day though, crypto, looking really greenish. Looking really greenish. Bitcoin trading close to 29,000. ETH is approaching 1,900 a token. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. So, yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all with that little update on XRP, some technical analysis, what my thoughts are, where I'm looking to buy, and also give you the kind of idea of what $100 XRP look like from a potential X, right? Over 197% X on your money. It's far-fetched. I don't think it can do that. But hey, I hope I'm wrong. You feel me? And you can come back here and say, Shooter, you were totally wrong. And hey, I'm cool with it being $100 a coin because I'm sitting on a healthy bag of it. And so it is what it is. Anyways, if you like this video and you gain some knowledge from it, please give me a thumbs up right now. Drop me a like. I said a like we were on Facebook or something. Drop me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know if you're holding XRP and what is your target or profit targets for that as well. Share this video. Let your people know. Let your partner and them partners and your aunties and your homies and your baby mamas and your wife or whomever know about XRP. And make sure you subscribe. Click the notification bell if you want to be up to date on the content. I try to release content 3 times a week. Definitely tap into my social medias, my short form videos. I post every day, IG, TikTok, and YouTube shorts every day. So keep that locked. Yeah. And if you want to join the Discord, the information is below. Anyway, it's your boy Shooter, the investor. I checked in for the game. Peace, y'all. Hey, XRP one of the ones, baby. Let's go.